In this video, we will show you how to fully customize your Dua Baby soundbox. You can remove or add any sound that your baby enjoys. You can even record and upload your own voice. Plug your USB into your soundbox and your computer. Open your USB drive window. This will display the 8 duas and surahs that your Dua Baby soundbox comes with. Now you can drag and drop any sound files saved to your computer in your USB file to upload it to your soundbox. To delete any sound, you can right-click and select the trash can to delete the file. Tips and tricks for your soundbox. But first, we really hope you love your Dua Baby Crib mobile. Please let us know with an Amazon review. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest Dua Baby product launches. Your music box can hold 1.8 gigs of files. This is about 200 files. You can add white noise, Quran, lullabies, or your own voice recordings to soothe your baby. Make sure the sound files you upload are of high quality to ensure a clear, enjoyable sound for your little one.